Love is kind. Love always protects, trusts, hopes, preserves, but most importantly, love never fails.
She's the person that I want to be around when I'm having a bad day, and I'm sure that that's what Sean thought when they met 6 years ago. It didn't take Sean long to know that they belonged together, but it may have taken Autumn a little longer to come around.
In 2011, my brother left for the Army, and that was one of the hardest times I had to go through. In 2013, when my brother returned from Afghanistan, is when he met Autumn. With my brother living in a different state, I didn't know much about her, but when my brother came up to visit me, I could see he was always smiling, and he was always happy, and I knew one day he was going to marry her.
We've all seen them grow through their engagement, however long it was, and now we get to celebrate this day with them as their beautiful love becomes a beautiful marriage.
I love the way you smile and the way you shoot. I love how you are different in ways and yet like-minded in others.
His plan isn't our plan because his is perfect. Looking back now to see how everything was unfolded, I know now more than ever that you are my better half.
I vow to always talk to you openly and never hide anything from you. I vow to always take care of you and our children. I will not be the best husband, father, head of the house, but I vow to try my best for you every day to be the best.
Your passion for Christ is why I love you most. I honestly can't wait to see what God has for our future and our family.
I will always be there for you. I will always love you. And I will always cherish you forever as long as we both shall live.
Sean and Autumn, I wish you nothing but love, happiness as you embark on your journey together.